So we also have 2 columns. So the 3 column one will look like this, whereby you have, see, can you see this one? It's still a T form, okay? So this side is debit, this side is credit. So in this book, you have the name cash book, and then you have multiple pages. So here, I just write what page, okay? Any page number here. So the 3 column is this one. You have discount, okay? Like mine, I prefer to write, usually you can write it as discount only, okay? But here I write allowed, okay? So at this part, the discount allowed, this is where, example, let's say ABC company, they bought 10 laptops for you, okay? And in your invoice, you mentioned that if they pay within first 10 days, they can get 1% discount, okay? And when they pay within the first 10 days, so they are entitled for that discount lah, okay? So that is the discount allowed. So when the business give discount to the customer, it's called, it is an expenses. Means are included for me. What is this? Miss, for lecture class, means are included for what? Oh, folio. Yeah, this one here. This one, I know. Oh, folio. Folio here, I don't. Sorry. Yeah. The one that beside details, yeah. Folio, if you want to add on lah. In the real world, yes, they do have the folio column, because actually for the folio, they usually invoices, they will have the numbers there, right? The reference code, right? So you use that and you will write it there lah. But like in our case, we don't have that. So that's why I just exclude the folio column. Okay. So when it comes to 3 column, it's not the, we will have these 3. Okay. If it's 2, then only this lah. I mean, I just ignore the folio column. Okay. Because I wouldn't provide such lah. Okay. Usually in the world, they do have the folio. It's just for them to refer the reference number, what page, you know, that kind of thing lah. Okay. Okay, so now, so this part, when you give discount to your customer, it will be considered as expenses. That's why here, the discount allowed will write as debit side. Okay, so if you refer back to your notes, this one, this is the one that you need to memorize lah. I make it small a little bit here. There. See, discount allowed as expenses. Okay. So when, okay, now that is for discount allowed. Now for the discount received, this is when your supplier give you the same situation. Okay, so basically discount, cash discount is to promote faster payment. Yeah. So this one, let's say your supplier also gives such condition. If they want to, they mention there, if you pay within 14 days, then you earn 2% discount. Then, as a business point of view, that discount will become part of their income. Okay, so that's why the discount received, you will record it on the credit side here. Okay, on the credit side. Okay, now let's look at the question. Okay, so June 2015, June 1st, balance brought forward cash for 20, bank 4940. Okay, so balance brought forward. So this is what we call as balance BD. So always be on the debit side because these are assets. Okay. Okay, now let's ask, can the bank figure here the balance BD on the credit side? Can or not? They say this bank, the balance is at this side. Can or not? Can or not? Can. What? Overdraft. Okay, good. So, but please be very careful. If let's say lah in this statement, they mention that balance brought forward, cash for 20, uh, bank overdraft, or they write bank negative. Okay? Then you know that it should be on the credit side, like it's an overdraft. Okay? So like this one, they don't mention anything, so you just write it. Okay, and then June 2nd, the following, wait, so this. No, it's okay. Done. Okay, the following paid us by check. Okay, so they paid us by check. Okay, and then in each case, deducting a 5% cash discount as Braga 820 and Alpine Jihad also Emirates. Okay, so they paid us. Okay, so what will happen to your bank account? Increase, decrease? Huh? Increase. Okay, and then if it's increase, you should record it on the debit or credit? Debit. Okay, because it's increased. Okay, so how to record it? Wait, I type the company, I type the party's name first. Braga Alpine Shipping. Okay. So 5% discount. So each one of these you have to minus 5% lah. Okay. This one 820. Okay. And what else? Alpine. Okay. So each one of these you deduct 5%. So you only they only pay because they pay within the period given. So they only pay this much. Okay. Bank don't like this one. Whether you want to put bank here or here is the same lah. It's fine. Okay, but make sure if let's say you put bank first here, and this one also same lah. Okay, make sure you put in the correct column, yeah. So discount allowed this much. So whatever discount that you give, it's considered as expenses. Okay, so these are the amount that will go directly to your bank account. Okay, next one, June 3rd, cash sales direct into the bank. Cash sale paid direct into the bank. So cash sales, right? So your, but then here directly paid into your bank account. So your bank account will increase. Okay. So here just write sales. Okay, in the bank column there. Okay. So 740. Okay. Okay, and then 5th June paid rent by cash. Okay. So you paid rent by cash, so cash will reduce. So the cash, you will record it on the credit side here lah. Okay. So this, the contra account will be rent. How much? 340. So under cash account, so 240. Okay. Okay, June 6, we paid the following accounts by check. So in each case, deducting 2.5% cash discount. So M Peters 360, and then G Graham 960, and also Bell. So I type the party's name first. So now we paid by check. So when you paid by check, your bank account will become lesser. So you record it on the credit side. So where is it? Oh here, G Graham after. by bank. G Graham. G Graham 960. Where is it just now? Oh, here. Okay. Oh, yeah lah. System. This how much just now for 390. Okay. Correct. And bell. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now, June 8th, withdraw cash from bank for business use 400. Okay. So now the company, the business, they withdraw the money from their business bank account. They withdraw the money from business bank account, and then they hold it lah as a cash in hand. So this is what we call as contra account. Okay, usually in the folio column, you have that like the send sign, right? Okay, but here I don't put the column. I don't put the folio column. Okay, but I just put remark there lah. So here, the contra account meaning like this transaction lah. You withdraw the money, but now you have it the cash in hand increase, but the bank account will become lesser. Okay, so here I record it here is right. Okay. So here, the one that will be reduced is your bank account, right? So the contra one, it will be cash. So you write it here. This is the bank one, okay? Because you withdrew the money from the business bank account. How much is it? Oh, here, 400. Okay. So this is contra. And then here, this is cash. Your cash increase. This is bank. So here under cash account, your cash increase. Okay. So 400 lah. Okay, this is contra. Usually contra you have this sign. Where's the sign? Oh, here. Okay. Okay, next. 10 June cash sales 1260. So cash increase. So here, right, sales. So cash 1260. Okay. And then on 12 June, BH paid us the account of 280 by check, less for £4 cash discount. So BH paid us, okay, by check. So using check, so it's bank. So here I just write the BH name. How much? Oh, here you have discount of 4. $280, right? Okay. Like this one, you don't need to calculate because they already give you the cash discount amount. Okay. Okay, next, 14, paid wages by cash, 540. So when you pay by cash, your cash reduced. So here you just write wages lah. Okay. So cash 540. Is it correct? Okay, and then June 16, we paid the following accounts by check, are thought less discount 15 and so on. So we paid by check. So I just will be on the credit side. Yeah. So here I just write the party's name first. R thought and also F jury. Okay, R thought discount 15. This one for $310. Okay. Okay, so we're done with the 16th June. Okay, and then 20th June, board fixtures by check. Okay, so here board fixtures also same is payable by check, so it will reduce. So here the contra one will be fixtures by 4320. Okay, down here. And then 24th June, board lorry paying by check 14,300. Okay. So this one also same because you is an expenses, right? So your bank account will become lesser. So here you write lorry 14,300. Okay. Okay, 29 June, receive 3 to 4 check from A line. Hey, you, the white shirt one, you answer me? This one question, this one 29 June. Debit or credit? Debit. Which part? Debit what? Cash or bank? Huh? Okay, good. What item should I write here? Okay, good. A line. With the bank, right? Too many numbers. Okay, good. Cash sales 980. I don't have the list. I call up students' name. Online lah, online. Wait. I ask Gary. Gary out? Gary, where's Gary? Why are you looking online? It's fine lah. Okay, cash sales, debit or credit in this cash book? Debit. Debit here. Okay, so what item should I write here? And then the amount is, okay, cash, the amount is 980. Okay. And then 30th, bought stationery paying by cash. Later I find the list. Where's my list? I miss. This is Thursday 2 p.m. Thursday 10. My list here. Kamal Taufik here not? Not here. Eric Chua? Yeah, Eric Chua. Oh, okay lah Eric. Simple one Eric. Last one. Stationery and then what? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I thought you're here. It's okay. Okay, now, once we're done, okay, you have to balancing of all the account. So balancing meaning you close, okay? But for the discount allowed and discount received, you don't need to do the BD or balance CD, don't need, okay? Because theirs at their own, they are in our separate account, okay? Because the concept here, discount allowed is expenses, discount received is your as part of income, okay? So like this, in discount allowed, so when you have the figure, you transfer it to the ledger account. Ledger means the T form, those who don't know the T form. So here, discount allowed, okay? This is the T form. So I just transfer this figure 135 to this, since this is on debit side, okay? So you should write here lah, total for the month lah. 135, okay? Because the question asks you to prepare the ledger for this discount accounts, okay? And then for this discount received on the credit side,